Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what show you want to binge watch next? Or how Spotify creates that perfect weekly playlist just for you? The magic behind it all isn't actually magic, it's machine learning. And today, we're going to demystify this powerful technology, breaking it down so that anyone can understand it. So, what is machine learning really? At its core, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and improve from experience, just like humans do, but without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't write a long list of rules for how to recognize a cat. Instead, you show them pictures of cats. This is a cat. This is also a cat. After seeing enough examples, the child learns to identify a cat on their own, even one they've never seen before. Machine learning works in a very similar way. We feed a computer massive amounts of data, pictures, text, numbers, you name it. And the algorithm, which is like the computer's brain, finds patterns and makes connections within that data. Over time, it builds a model, which is its own understanding of the world based on what it's learned. This model can then be used to make predictions or decisions about new, unseen data. Let us break this down into the three main types of machine learning you'll hear about: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. First up, supervised learning. This is the most common type, and it's exactly like our cat example. We give the algorithm labeled data. We show it a picture of a cat and say, "This is a cat." We show it a picture of a dog and say, "This is a dog." The supervisor, here is us, providing the correct labels. After training on thousands or even millions of labeled images, the algorithm can accurately predict whether a new image is a cat or a dog. This is the technology behind things like email spam filters, which learn from emails you mark as spam, and even medical imaging analysis, where algorithms help doctors spot signs of disease. It's all about learning from examples with clear, correct answers. Next, we have unsupervised learning. Now, imagine you have a huge box of mixed-up Lego bricks. You don't know what you can build, and there are no instructions. What do? You'd probably start sorting them by color, size, or shape. You'd group similar bricks together. That's unsupervised learning in a nutshell. We give the machine a bunch of data without any labels or correct answers. Its job is to find the hidden structures and patterns all on its own. It might group customers into different purchasing segments or cluster news articles by topic. Amazon uses this to recommend products by finding customers with similar buying habits. It's asking the machine, "What's interesting about this data? Can you find any natural groupings?" It's incredibly powerful for discovering insights you didn't even know you were looking for. And finally, there's reinforcement learning. This one is really cool because it's all about learning through trial and error, just like training a pet. Imagine teaching a dog to fetch. When it brings the ball back, you give it a treat, a positive reward. If it runs off and buries the ball, there's no treat, a neutral or negative outcome. Over time, the dog learns that bringing the ball back leads to a reward. Reinforcement learning works the same way. An algorithm, often called an agent, operates in an environment. It takes actions, and for each action, it receives a reward or a penalty. The goal is to maximize the total reward over time. This is the secret sauce behind self-driving cars learning to navigate traffic, or AI systems like AlphaGo mastering the incredibly complex game of Go by playing against itself millions of times. It's all about learning the best strategy through experience to achieve a specific goal. So, machine learning is everywhere. It's powering the recommendation engines on YouTube and TikTok, making your feed more personalized. It's what allows your phone's digital assistant, like Siri or Google Assistant, to understand your voice commands. It's used in banking to detect fraudulent transactions in real time by spotting unusual spending patterns. It helps farmers optimize crop yields by analyzing data from satellites and sensors. It's even composing music and creating art. The applications are growing every single day. But is it the same as artificial intelligence? Not quite. Think of it this way. Artificial intelligence is the broad, overarching field of creating machines that can think or act intelligently. Machine learning is a specific, very important subfield of AI. It's one of the primary ways we are achieving AI right now. So, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we rely more on machine learning, we have to be mindful of the challenges. One of the biggest is data bias. If the data we use to train a model is biased, the model's predictions will be biased too. For example, if a hiring algorithm is trained on historical data from a company that predominantly hired men, it might learn to unfairly favor male candidates. It's crucial that we work to create fair and unbiased systems. There are also concerns about privacy, as these systems often require huge amounts of personal data to function effectively. And of course, the big question of how machine learning will impact jobs in the future is a major topic of discussion. But despite these challenges, the potential of machine learning is immense. It is a tool that is helping us solve some of the world's most complex problems, from climate change modeling and discovering new medicines to making our daily lives more convenient and efficient. The key is to develop and use it responsibly. The future is exciting. We're moving towards models that need less data to learn, a concept called few-shot learning. We're also seeing the rise of explainable AI, which aims to make these complex models less of a black box, so we can understand exactly why they make the decisions they do. This transparency is vital for building trust, especially in high-stakes fields like healthcare and finance. So, the next time your phone's camera automatically identifies your friend's face to tag them in a photo, or your favorite streaming service suggests a movie you end up loving, you'll know what's happening behind the scenes. It's not magic. It's the power of data, algorithms, and a computer that has learned from experience. It's machine learning, and it's fundamentally changing our world. I hope this has helped you understand the basics of this incredible technology. It can seem complex, but at its heart, it's about learning from patterns, just like we do every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what part of machine learning you find most fascinating. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our future. Thanks for watching.